Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome is a concept recreational vehicle that blends the utility of a motorhome with the luxury and performance of the Mercedes Benz GLE. The objective was to design a car that provides a first-rate camping experience in addition to being comfortable for long-distance driving. Base of vehicles. The car is based on the most recent Mercedes Benz GLE platform, which is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, comfort, and stability. For improved fuel economy, it will probably come with a variety of engines, including a plug-in hybrid. Interior characteristics. With a customizable configuration that can be adjusted to the user's demands, the interior is meant to optimize both comfort and space. Potential characteristics. The seating area can be transformed into a cozy bed, a kitchenette with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, a restroom with a shower and toilet, an advanced infotainment system that connects to the internet and has a huge touchscreen. For optimal comfort, use automatic climate control. Luxurious finishes and premium materials are hallmarks of Mercedes-Benz. External features. With the addition of components that improve its usefulness as a motorhome. The exterior of the 2026 full motorhome will maintain the sporty and beautiful style of the normal GLE. Potential characteristics. Pop-up or extendable roof for more headroom. Side awnings to expand your living area outside. Bike racks or outside storage for leisure gear. Off-grid power requirements can be met by solar power systems. Performance. With its powerful engines and cutting-edge suspension technologies, the 2026 GLE Motorhome will nevertheless provide quick performance and be enjoyable to drive, even though its primary focus is on comfort and functionality. Advanced Mercedes-Benz technologies, including as the MBUX infotainment system with voice control and navigation, will be included in the 2026 GLE Motorhome. Active safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning,